Hey there, tech fans. It's your guy, a young man, here to dive into the world of artificial intelligence. Today, we're talking about something super cool, machine learning. Let's get started. Machine learning is a way for computers to learn and make decisions without being told exactly what to do. Imagine you have a friend who can learn just by looking at a lot of examples. That's what machine learning does. Your emails filter out spam, your streaming sites recommends you shows, and your phone voice assistant get better at understanding you. All thanks to machine learning. So, how does it work? Picture feeding your computer tons of data like showing it a lot of pictures of cats and dogs. The computer looks for patterns and learns to tell the difference. We use a special recipe called algorithms to help the computer learn from the data. There are three main types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning is like having a teacher. You give the computer examples with labels like cat or dog, and it learns to recognize them. Unsupervised learning is like exploring on your own. The computer finds pattern in data without any labels, and reinforcement learning is like training a pet. The computer learns from the trial and error, getting rewards for good choices. Where do you see machine learning in action? In healthcare, it's used to help doctors diagnose diseases. In finance, it predicts market trends and spot fraud. Self-driving cars use it to navigate roads safely. Even in social media, it's use machine learning to show you a post you like. But there are some challenges too. Sometimes, if the data we give computer is biased, its decision can be unfair. And sometimes we can't see exactly how the computer makes its decisions. Plus, there's a worry that as machines get smarter, they might take over some jobs. Even with these challenges, the future of machine learning is super exciting. We could use it to tackle big problems like climate change and global health. Imagine AI systems that can learn and adapt in real time. The possibilities are endless. So, there you have it. Machine learning, the cool tech changing our world. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and follow AI Man for more awesome tech content. Stay curious. I will see you in next video. AI Man out.